Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic. I got a cool video here for you. I'm actually going to pick up my 76 Trans Am. This car I sold about 20 years ago, and it was actually my first Trans Am. My first Firebird Trans Am was a 75, but this was actually my first Trans Am I've owned. Not long after Kelly and I got married, we needed a washer and dryer, and I sold the car to buy that, and I've kind of regretted it, and I've been looking for it ever since. Well, I found it. It's about an hour and a half away. Made a deal with the guy, and it's in a whole bunch of pieces and stuff like that, so it's going to take a little bit. But watch the video, see what kind of shape it's in, see what we need to do, and watch us bring it back home. So follow along. So we're about 15 minutes out from getting the car, and I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this for a while, like I said. Now, the real question is, what kind of stuff do you guys want to see get done to it? Now, I plan on doing kind of a Pro Touring look to it. I lowered a little bit, trying to figure out the drivetrain though. If you guys say LS, I'm not going to do it, so don't even say it. But I've got a 462 and a built Super T10 that's in our 60 Catalina, and it's brand new. So should I pull that out? Should I use that? Should I build something else? I don't know. Post down below in the comments, let me know. All right, so I'm here about to pick up the car. We're gonna load it on the trailer. It is in complete pieces, but it was getting ready for paint, so we can do a lot with it. It's got all the stuff that I remember except for the drivetrain, so I'm pretty excited. We'll take some video here in a second, so watch along. Alright, so this guy's got all kinds of cool stuff in here. And back here's my car. Like I said, it's in a whole bunch of pieces and stuff. But there it is. Everything's there. Shakers and hood and nose, fenders, all that. Some frames in the back. I need a rear axle and a drivetrain, but it's solid, still solid. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get this thing on the car. All right. So it's late, it's dark, but we got everything loaded. We've got about 100 straps on this thing. Doors, fenders, bumpers, subframe, everything. It is all in there. Let's cross our fingers, hit the road. Got about an hour and a half drive home. So cross our fingers, hope for the best. So there we go. We're home. It's late. It took us a while to get home, just taking it easy because we have so much stuff strapped down here. It took us forever to load everything. There were so many parts, and they were here and here and all over the place in the guy's shop. So we got it all. We're going to sort through it, see what we need, see what's good, see what's bad. The body looks pretty good, but we're going to take a video. We'll show you guys all about it. But until you see that video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech. Follow us on TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. And we will see you guys next time.